This is the Simmons 840SB head. This is a lead-free head. It'll come with that wheel handle assembly and the connections for it, as well as of course the complete head. So it'll come with those two straps here, the pivot connector down in there, and the packing nut here, and of course the handle as well. Now if we take a look here, it will have those internal female threads so it can connect to the piping. Now we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the head and the handle. We'll start with the handle, just getting an outer diameter, and that will measure right at about 1 3/4 inches. And then we can also get an inner diameter here, and that will measure just above 1/4 inch. And then we can measure, we'll start with the handle, get a total length from the longest part, so right up here after the bend to this bend here. And that will measure right at about 6 inches. And then we can get an outer and inner diameter here. So we'll start with the outer diameter at the hexed portion here at the bottom of the head. And that'll measure right at about just above 2 inches. And then the inner diameter measuring right at about 1 1/4 inches. So once again, this is the Simmons 840SB lead-free head.